Willing to risk it all for your tech startup? Didn't think so, and you shouldn't. In today's video, I'm gonna reveal pricing insights that can make or break your software startup. So get ready for a budgeting revelation. Imagine that you are in the development stage of your new software or technology that you work so hard on and that you're sure that's going to revolutionize the marketplace. So that means that your ideation, planning, and big part of the designing is behind you. You are in the middle of the development stage and you're even doing some testing, but you run out of money. So what do? Your investors don't want to add more money, you don't have any pre-orders, and you don't really have any paying customers yet. So what do? You end up abandoning your software startup. You close the door. Unfortunately, this is a common situation. Tech startups think about marketing way too late in the game. Now it's time that we change that. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm Patricia Boral, CEO of Boral Agency. We're a full-service digital marketing agency with over a decade, helping companies build a strong online presence, including tech startups. Now, we've helped hundreds of clients from naming their brand, to improving their app or software UX design, to launching it successfully. We use practical digital marketing strategies to maximize your return on investment. Now, before I continue, I want to make sure that you subscribe or follow so you can watch more of these type of videos and like and share it. Now, as technology continues to shape different industries, thousands and thousands of new startups open every single day. And every day, thousands of them close. In fact, the tech industry has the highest failure rate compared to any other industries or small businesses. So how can yours make it? Well, we both know, that is very simple, right? You need to raise capital, build your products, and create a customer base. But we also know that this alone don't guarantee your startup's success. No, it doesn't. How much your product meets the market needs at the right time, now that is a different story. That's almost literally the recipe. This is why investing in marketing early on can almost guarantee the success of your tech startup. Now, the amount you should invest can vary widely depending on so many factors. Like, for example, what is your timeline? Or how quickly do you want to enter the market? What are your specific goals? What are the goals that your investors are looking to see? What's the current stage of your startup? Who's your target audience? Is it a large market or is it a niche industry? What's their buying behavior? What's that audience avatar? Understanding your audience helps you really allocate your marketing dollars effectively. You don't need to do it all. You don't need to be on every single marketing channel, right? That's why you need to choose which ones will be part of your marketing strategy based on the different stages of your startup. And ultimately, will the amount that you budget for your marketing realistically take you where you need to go? Those are some of the questions that you need to ask yourself to help you determine how much to invest in your marketing. For early stage startup, you need to allocate a smaller percentage of your budget to marketing, anywhere from 10 to 20%. Now, this budget should largely go into market research, experimentation, and proof of concept. Additionally, know your customer buying patterns early on and position your company with key players in the market that later on can become influential to your business success. As your startup grows, you should be prepared to increase your marketing budget to anywhere from 30 to 40% to keep that momentum going. A large part of this budget should go into customer acquisition and brand building. Okay, even if your app is still on beta testing. As you can see, as the stages of your startup change, your marketing strategy needs to be adapted. For example, during the early stages, be prepared to allocate a portion of your budget for beta testing and a soft launch campaign. This marketing strategy will not yield immediate results, right? You are in beta testing. So allowing that adaptation is crucial, and also setting the right expectations. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer on how much you should invest in marketing, as it depends on your unique situation and goals. Begin with the recommended 10 to 20% budget allocation with the potential to adjust as your company grows. Remember, your marketing strategy must remain flexible and adaptable, evolving alongside your startup. If you need help, reach out to our team. We specialize in creating realistic marketing budgets and strategies that are tailored to your needs, supporting you and your company as you grow. In other words, we grow with you. Simply visit our website or click on the link attached to this video to schedule an initial consultation. That's typically a 30-minute phone call, no strings attached. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, please show your love by liking and sharing it so more individuals can benefit from today's video. So, see you next Wednesday.